Hello everyone, welcome back to our WhatsApp Business API integration series. In the previous video, we have completed your business verification with Meta. Now assuming your verification has been approved, it's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Actually setting up your WhatsApp Business API. Before we dive in, I want all of you to know something very important. This is where everything comes together. And while the process is straightforward, there are some decision points where you need to choose the right path based on how you want to use WhatsApp. Some people get confused about which option to select, and that confusion can lead to setting things up in a way that doesn't match their business need. So I'm going to walk you through every option clearly, explain what each of them means, and help you make the right choice for your business. And as always, if you get stuck or feel unsure at any point, stay till the end because I'll share how you can get into a quick Google Meet call with my team who will set this entire setup for you live on your screen. So let's get started. Now we are going to use the LeminAi platform to set up WhatsApp Business API. Why LeminAi? Because they have built a user-friendly interface that makes this complex process simple. You could technically do this directly through Meta, but their interface doesn't provide much features and is very technical and confusing for most of the business owners. LeminAi bridges that gap and makes it accessible to everyone regardless of the technical knowledge. First, open a new tab in your browser and type in the address bar chat.leminai.com and press enter. If you already have an account, then log in, and if you don't have an account, then click on sign up. You will now see a registration form asking for your detail. Let me walk you through what to fill in each field. First, your name. Enter your full name here. This can be your personal name since this is your account login. Then you will see a field for your email address. You can use any email you prefer. This is just for your login credentials. Next is your WhatsApp number. You can enter your personal mobile number. This doesn't have to be number what you want to use with WhatsApp Business API, so anything would work. This is just for your account authentication and login purposes. After entering your phone number, you need to click on verify to get authentication code on your WhatsApp. Once received, enter that authentication code here. You will also need to create a password for your LeminAi account. Choose a strong password that you will remember. After filling in all these details, look up for the sign up button and click it. LeminAi will create your account and log in for you. Once you're logged in, you will see that LeminAi dashboard, right? Now, look for a button that says WhatsApp Setup. Click on it. You will see a screen explaining that you're about to connect your WhatsApp Business API. There will be a continue button. Click on it and you might see another screen with a Get Started button. Click on that as well. These initial screens are just Meta and LeminAi confirming that we want to proceed with the integration. Now, here's an important step. You'll see a screen asking you to select your business portfolio. Remember the business portfolio we created way back in video 2? This is where you need to select it. If you only have one portfolio, it's simple. Just select that one. But if you created multiple portfolios over time for different purposes, you need to carefully select the one you created specially for WhatsApp Business API. The portfolio name should match what you used earlier. Take your time here and make sure that you are selecting the correct portfolio. Now, we have reached the most important decision point in this entire setup process. In the WhatsApp Business Accounts option, you are going to see two main options, and which one you choose will determine how your WhatsApp Business API works. Let me explain both options very clearly so you can make the right choice for your business. Option 1. Connect a WhatsApp Business app or connect your existing WhatsApp account. Now, what does this mean? This option is for you if you already have WhatsApp Business app running on your phone and you want to use WhatsApp on your phone while also managing the conversation through the LeminAi dashboard. Let me give you a real-world example to make this crystal clear. Imagine you're a small business owner who has been using WhatsApp app on your phone for the last 2 years. Your customers know your number, they message you, they reply from you reply from your number, they call you, and now you want to upgrade your WhatsApp API to get features like bulk messaging, automated response, and team access. But you don't want to lose the ability to chat from your phone. You still want to see messages and reply when you're on the go. If that's you, then option 1 is what you needed. With this option, what happened is this: when a customer messages your WhatsApp number, that message will appear both on your WhatsApp mobile app and on the LeminAi dashboard. You can reply from either of the place, both say synced. Now, that's one critical requirement for this option. The number you want to use must already have an existing WhatsApp business account running on it, not WhatsApp account, WhatsApp business application. If you have WhatsApp personal on that number, or if there is no WhatsApp at all, this option wouldn't work. You especially need WhatsApp business app to be active on the number. Option 2. Create a WhatsApp business account or start with a new WhatsApp phone number. Think about big companies like Amazon, Nike or Zomato. When you receive a message from them, it doesn't show a number on the top of it. It shows the brand name. If you want that kind of setup where your message will be sent from your brand name, then option 2 is useful for you. Keep in mind that this option, you won't be able to use WhatsApp on your mobile device for that number. All the conversation happened only through the LeminAi dashboard. Now, here is where it gets exciting. If you choose option 2, you will see 2 sub options with it. Let me explain those as well. Sub option A. Use a display name virtual number. If you selected this, Meta will provide you a virtual number and that is completely free. What I want is a virtual number. It's a phone number that exists only in the WhatsApp messaging, so there is no physical SIM associated with that. Customer can send you WhatsApp message to this number, but they cannot call you because it's a virtual number. It's WhatsApp chat only, no voice calls. Why do you want this? Well, you have to think about it from a business perspective. When a customer can call you, your phone rings all the day. Sometimes you're busy, sometimes you're in a meeting, and sometimes it's after your business hours. Voice can be disruptive. Many businesses prefer that customer message them over WhatsApp instead of calling them out of nowhere, because message can be handled more efficiently. Multiple team members can respond to it. This message is used by a lot of big brands. It's very professional to handle customer communication at scale. The biggest advantage of this option is that you don't need a physical SIM card at all. You don't need to buy a new number. You don't need to put a SIM in any phone. You don't need to worry about the SIM being active. Meta just provides you a number that is digitally and you start using it immediately from a dashboard. Sub option B. Now add a new number, physical number. With this option, you provide your own phone number, a number with a physical SIM card, unlike sub option A, where this is a choice. Customer can both message you on WhatsApp, on your call, if the same number they want. Why would you want this? Maybe you want customers to have the option to call you in urgent situation. Maybe you want the flexibility of voice calls along with the WhatsApp messaging. Or maybe you have a startup business that doesn't get a lot of calls. The requirement here is that the number you provide should not already have a WhatsApp account on it. If you have WhatsApp personal or WhatsApp business app on that number, you will need to delete that first before using that option. After deleting, you may need to wait for some hours to apply with WhatsApp Business API. Now that I've explained all the options clearly, let me walk you through the actual setup process for each part. I'll show you option 1 first, then option 2 with both its sub option, so you can follow whichever path applies to your situation. Following option 1, connect your existing WhatsApp account. If you've decided that option 1 is right for you, you want to keep using WhatsApp on your phone and also access it through the dashboard, here's what you do. On the screen where you can see 2 options, click on Connect to WhatsApp Business app. You will now see a form asking for your phone number. Enter your country code first. For India, it's +91. For US, it's +1 and so on. Then enter your business phone number, the one that currently has WhatsApp Business app installed and active. Let's say your number is 98765-43210. Enter it carefully and double check it. Then click Next. Now pick up your phone right now and open your WhatsApp Business app. Look at your messages. You should see a new message from Facebook Business. Open that message. Inside that message, you will see a button or a link that says Connect. Tap on it. WhatsApp will now show you a screen asking if you want to connect this number to the business platform. You will see a button that says Connect to the business platform. Tap on it. Next, WhatsApp will ask you about chat history. It will show 2 options. Number 1, share all the chats. Number 2, don't share chats. This is asking if you want to migrate all your existing chat conversation to the API dashboard. Most people want this because you don't want to lose your conversation history with customer. So tap on Select All Chats and then click on Confirm. Now you will see a QR code displayed on the LeminAi dashboard on your computer screen. The QR code is linking your phone number to the dashboard. On your phone number, you should see an option to scan a QR code. Use that option to scan the QR code showing on your computer screen. Once the QR code is scanned successfully, select your time zone and click Next on the LeminAi dashboard. Then click Confirm and the last, click Finish. Meta will verify this connection, which usually takes less than a minute. That's it. Your existing WhatsApp business number is now connected to the API. Your number is ready to use through the LeminAi dashboard while still remaining accessible on your phone. Following option 2. Start with a new WhatsApp number. If you've decided that option 2 is right for you, you want to send messages from your brand name and can only access WhatsApp through LeminAi dashboard, here's what you do. On the screen showing the 2 main options, click on Create a WhatsApp business account and then click Next. You will see a screen asking you to select your business category. This is just Meta trying to understand that what type of businesses you are. You'll see categories like retail, education, healthcare, finance, and many others. Select the category that best describes your business. Don't overlook this. It doesn't affect your functionality. It might adjust for Meta's classification. After select a category, click Next. Now you will see two sub options I explained earlier, right? If you've decided you want a virtual number from Meta, that chat with no call, here's what you do. Click on Use the display name only. Click Next and then click Confirm. Meta will now automatically assign a virtual number to your business. You won't need to enter your phone number, you won't receive any OTP, you won't need to verify anything. Meta just assign a number and that number becomes your WhatsApp Business API number. And the last click, Finish. The entire process takes, just a few seconds. You will see the assigned number displayed on your screen. This is your WhatsApp Business number now. Customer can message you on this number and you will receive and respond to all the messages through the LeminAi dashboard. Remember, customer cannot call this number. This is for WhatsApp messaging only. Now, if you've decided that you want to use your own phone number with the physical SIM, here's what you do. This time, click on Add a new number. You will see a form asking for your phone number. Enter your country code first and then enter the phone number you want to use. Remember, this number should not have any existing WhatsApp account on it. After entering a number, you will need to choose a verification method. You will see options like text message or phone call. Choose whatever you prefer and click Next. Check your phone number for the OTP, enter in the field provided on the screen and click Next. If the code is correct, your number will be verified. Then click Confirm to complete the setup. Meta will now verify your number and set it up for WhatsApp Business API. This usually takes less than a minute. After that, click on Finish to complete the process. Once verified, this number becomes your WhatsApp Business API number and you can start using it through the LeminAi dashboard. Customers can both message you on this WhatsApp number and can call you on this number. Congratulations, your WhatsApp Business API is almost ready. There's just one single step remaining, that is adding a payment method, which we'll cover in the next video. But before we get to the next video, I want to address something very important. I just walk you through multiple options and paths. While I explain everything clearly, you might still have questions. Maybe you're not sure which option is right for your specific situation, business situation. Maybe you choose one option that, you're second guessing if that is right choice. Maybe the screen on your LeminAi dashboard looks different from what I showed. Or maybe you're getting an error message during one of these steps. Or maybe your existing WhatsApp isn't connecting properly, or your OTP is not coming to the new number. These kind of issues happen and I don't want you to feel stuck or frustrated. Here's what I want you to do. Just reach out to us at leminai.com or 9682828181. The contact number is in the description box also. My team will immediately jump on a quick 2-minute Google Meet call with you. We'll look at your screen, understand your business needs, help you choose the right option and complete the entire LeminAi setup with you live. We'll make sure everything is configured exactly right for your situation. If you've successfully completed the LeminAi setup and your WhatsApp is now configured, give this video a big like and make sure you subscribe to the channel because in the very next video, we'll be covering the final step. Without this, you won't be able to send messages to customers. So the video is absolutely essential. Don't miss it. I will see you in the next video.